Want to try ChatGPT but not sure how to get started? In this video, we'll walk you through opening ChatGPT and creating a free account step by step. First, you open your internet browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, then type chatgpt.com into the address bar and press enter. Now you'll see the ChatGPT welcome page. Click the sign up button to begin creating your account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. Choose the option that's easiest for you. If you're using an email, just type it in, create a password, and click continue. Next, you may be asked to verify your email. Open your email inbox, find the message from OpenAI, and click the confirmation link, or enter the code. After that, you'll return to ChatGPT to finish setting up. Next, you'll be asked to enter your name and birthday. And once you submit, that's it, you're in. You'll now see the ChatGPT chat window where you can type a question like, what can I cook for dinner with chicken and rice? You can add any specifications you like how many servings, or whether you have any dietary restrictions. ChatGPT will answer in seconds. It's like having a friendly helper available 24/7. Stay tuned for more videos on how to use ChatGPT in your daily life. Thanks.